You searched how to buy shares of SSAB AB. SSAB is a Swedish steel manufacturer specializing in high-strength steel and industrial solutions, listed on CBOE EU under the ticker SSABA.ST. This clip is educational and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SSABA.ST to locate the listing. Confirm you select the SSAB AB share that trades on CBOE EU. On the asset page, check the company summary and a price chart to understand the listing. Verify the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct SSAB AB share. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set as a limit, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the eToro platform is in the description if you want to review the example used in this guide.